Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an Amazon Prime Visa cardholder like me, you know how easy it is to rack up rewards on your purchases. But let's face it, tracking your spending can feel overwhelming. In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide to monitor your Amazon Prime Visa spending effectively. This way, you can stay on top of your budget, maximize rewards, and avoid any surprises at the end of the month. First things first, you need to set up your Chase account if you haven't already. Head over to the Chase website or download the Chase mobile app. It's free and super user-friendly. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Amazon Prime Visa card. Here, you'll see a detailed overview of your recent transactions, including all those Amazon buys. Next, let's dive into the tracking features. Use the search function to filter transactions specifically for Amazon. You can sort by date, amount, or even category, which makes it a breeze to spot patterns in your spending. For example, if you're buying a lot of Prime-eligible items, this will help you see how your rewards are adding up. Don't forget to enable notifications. In the app settings, turn on alerts for new purchases or when you approach your spending limits. This proactive step can prevent overspending and keep you informed in real time. If you want to go deeper, link your Amazon account with Chase for integrated insights. This might involve a quick verification process, but it's worth it for a seamless experience. Finally, make it a habit to review your monthly statements. Chase sends them via email or in the app, so check them regularly to reconcile your spending. By following these steps, you'll gain better control over your finances and make the most of your Amazon Prime Visa perks. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.